Yeah, Cartel smart, you fuck. Cartel smart, you fuck. This is an international song, bro. The collabs on this Cartel and normal dog.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. Hold on, there's something going with the vertical up over here. So what the
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
People are going. You don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, one Media Fox, man. People, NPT. You see with that album, yeah? It's all about quality. And when you see what going on in media right now, Vice Cartel drop him album. See, me listen the song them, and me I say, yo, I don't know what the production of this. I don't know, it just nah. Me that expect more, better, more active, more fiery album. But I kind of realize, you see when it comes to Vice Cartel and the critiquing, it's all about hype. Because majority of the thing them, that's what I tell you see, with the Alkaline album, the youth dominate him album. Like literally, no features, him dominate. You can pick out a few songs. Seeing, you know, say girl good a big hit. Seeing, Graduate, Bad Man song, Bad, Raise the Bar, Sacrifice. You understand? Masterpiece, the girl them love them song there. Seeing, the quality up, everything up about the album. You see me? But I don't know. The Cartel album, one of the song them, I think it named something about big business or some business thing. The song there, you can't go on. You see me? The God and Time, a good song that. You see me? It's a motivation song. Yeah, it can go on. You see me? You don't know the Shensia song on it already. I do it thing. The one with Cartel and the reggaeton or the Spanish artist. Bro, I don't know about that one, the people. To be honest, I don't really know what I go on with that. It's like, man get like what? Maybe like 30 seconds of the song. Bro, oh, I don't understand these people. Oh yeah, put a song on an album and it come like say a the Spanish artist. Song is like on a year feature. Are the Spanish artist feature? Cause most of the song of the Spanish artists are represented. So I don't understand with that. Like the man just imagine the song upon the man album and it's just a little piece of the song with the Spanish artist. The man get dog. I don't know what I go on this on G. You understand? I don't know what I go on with that. I feel like say yo, wrong choice that dog. You can't have a feature upon the album. You see me? And I know you. That song there is not about Vice Cartel, may I tell you. Because him just get a little piece. And then the Spanish artist get majority of the song. You see me? The Mother and Cartel, it's alright, but I don't know that. I feel like the man them should have. Bro, Jaja, move out. I don't know. It can go on, but it just not connect, dog. I know so the Gaza people them gonna love it and thing. And them gonna see a bag of thing, but we just a speak, I'm listen to the music them. You see me? And to me, I don't know. The album yeah, would I get maybe like a before would I get like a 6. You see me? The production thing, I don't know. Bro, the cartel thing, I don't know that. Them a try fix him voice in the thing, dog. Him and Spice. Ah boy. This and that one here no cartel and Spice we know from Ramping Shop and the rest of the song them on him. I don't know. That one here, I don't know. It just it punch. As me said, the production with the song, it just not with it. As me say, the big business song here that can go on. More said that alright. You see me? This is just my opinion. You see me? The one with Cartel and Wizkid. Me not like, bro. This are the same thing with him and Chris Brown, brother. Like, I sing, it come like, I don't know, I understand say maybe una sing together, like, it's like, when I sing a girl song, but it sound like when sing to each other. I say, yo, Jah no, bro. Jaja. But him and the Wizkid thing, Wizkid, yeah man, is a tough artist, man. Like, him good. Him can sing, him can go on. You see me? And when I realize most of the people them mostly are talk about the collaboration. I feel boy, I mean no. I feel like if Cartel never do, I think how much collaboration? 6 them say? A 6 collaboration they on it. Yo, if him never get no features on this, bro, boy, I not even know. I don't know, dog. Because most of the time I just features some people them talk about. So when I sang them people, when I remember the title, to be honest, it's like the man it come like say the man a DJ, like, you know, when you go party, old time party, when you go to them long time party down here, they must, you know, they must test out the mic, but we can tell the people. I say, dog, what that the man a doing in a song? I don't know, no must know how song people. Like, brother, you sing or you DJ on a sound or what? I don't know what that. I don't know what that, bro. To be honest, I don't know what is that, my G. You understand? I don't know what is that. So, as me say, the album is a 6 to me. You see me? That's what I'm tell you, say, you see when it comes to Alkaline, and I kind of see why, it's like, I kind of see why the youth do him album by himself. You see me? Because it show me the true potential. Like, as a musician, it's like, you can see the story more, and I don't know, that album with Cartel, brother, I don't know how good the story, dog. You see me? I don't know, bro. You see me? As me said, the album could have do way better, bro. You see me? As me said, that Spanish song there, bro, I don't know what is that, dog. The song good, you know, based on, yeah, the Spanish artist, but I don't know, it nah give that vibes, dog. And especially if Cartel go do a feature, bro, just be the main brother. That song, it come like say I must Spanish artist album this or something, brother. Come here and say, brother, the man literally, the Spanish artist literally get the whole of the song. Or if you have an artist where you feature with on your album, but the artist get more time in the song than you. That now make no sense, my G. You see me? But I understand, you maybe, I don't know, some payment for some feature, and seem to me like the guy sang, and you say, alright, you want to drop it on the album, wait. You see me? I don't know. Boy, I just know. Vada, I not like still, you know, say a long time Vada not drop an album, people. A long time. The man not drop an album in a dog. Jaja youth, I don't know. But him and Cartel thing, that go and have a little beat, but them could have do better still. You see me? Because one at a time, the man, man in a song and the man I say, woof woof. So me I say, wait. Now so the man sound in a one night song when do it Aishana. That me I say, you know. Is it? That me I say, yo, oh the man is like this woof woof thing. We know one also when shut a fire and them thing, the brother woof woof. I say, what this man is singing in a song, dog? But the mother than Cartel could have do better, brother. I tell you. They could have do better, dog. But as me say, I hope the gods are people, them, brother. I hope them support them artists, bro. Cause I don't know, the production of this, brother, the I don't know, it's like it just nah give the vibes, bro. And if you have so much feature upon an album with you have Spanish artists, you have Afrobeat artists, you have Spice, you have Movado. Bro, this is a good selection. Like you have all skill people. The man and Skilly Bang. You have to wonder if like Skilly Bang have a twin and them a sing. Cartel a sound like Skilly Bang, dog. I mean I say wait. You have to listen good to see if a Cartel a sing a song, dog. I mean I say how the bomba this. I don't know, brother. I don't know. Skilly Bang an album thing no work, dog. To be honest. I kinda understand say yo, you know, him give them the respect for them on them album like Spice, Skilly Bang, you see me? You don't know people them a pre the Vado thing. But the Skilly Bang, bro, I don't know about that. Skilly Bang no is like the man not good for an album, bro. Remember say Skilly Bang drop all the album with what you call it? Skilly Bang drop an album with 40 track or 41 track, brother. The man not get no song out of that, bro. And him drop a next one paper one before that. Nothing out of that. Man, yo, the man not good for album, brother. Man, I know. Skilly Bang, brother. Skilly Bang no really have nothing when it comes to quality, brother, and music, dog. You see me? Him just a go dust. Him just a chop up something. You see me? But that one that feature there with Skilly Bang and Cartel, I don't know. Cartel even sound like Skilly Bang on the song, dog. You see me? Like that man, the man actually sing like Skilly Bang on the song. You see it? So, when I know, as me say, give the album about a 6. That's my opinion still. You see me? As me say, I hope the Gaza people them go buy and support the album, you know. Cause me tell you this. With that type of album, yeah, and the expectation, brother, the only thing can save on you know. You see it? If you not get worse touch, you know. Make it go up on the billboard at a good spot and do a good numbers. Cause if it not hit the billboard and not get a good numbers, you know. Yo, why? No, you have to go hide, you know. I tell you no. You have to go hide. You see it? Cause remember no forward out and say yo NTP or this and that. But NTP album we see the quality, we hear the quality. You understand? Girl good, big hit song. Graduate, bad, all of them song that we can see the quality them, even different story. We can see the quality in that. You understand? Quality production, nice rhythm, flow, everything. You see me? And we can see the story with NTP. We can see the storyline. You see me? Yeah, we can see the storyline with that. You see it? And the flow, everything, the masterpiece. You see me? The little raunchiness for the girl them, roping. You see it? So, a different ball game. You see me? A different ball game right now. So, but I know the album, yeah. Boy, if I diss the people, let me that wait pan with Cartel, brother, God and time. I say, yo, Jaja. But I know. And I think some other singles depend it where him do by himself and thing. I think him have a next godly song. It can go on, it just sound like, you know, the song them ways where him do already. You see me? With the godly thing. You see, but me I say, yo, it's like the features them could have do better. But not lie. It could have do better. The only feature when me say alright, when me could have give a good, is the Shensia. You see me? The Shensia. But I don't know. The other rest. The whiskey one, yeah, that can go on, but I don't know. The sing for sing thing, bro. Yeah, I'm not too rate that. You see me? It could have more. I feel like as a dancehall artist, as a great artist, it should have more, more vibes. Remember, a vice cartel, So the vibes did it. Get the vibes. You see me? Get the vibes. I'm a might attack right now and people kind of get into them feelings. But if you really look at it, bro, for real, you see me? Things could have done better with the especially with the production, dog. You see me? As me say, the collaboration with the Spanish artist is a good move. But what me not rate with it is like it come like the Spanish artist. Like you get the whole actual song. You see me? Whole actual song, brother. And it's an album. It's not like it's just a single feature. It depend Cartel album. So it's like, bro, come on. Like when you do the analysis in Spanish artists, you're there wait. Pan Cartel for forwarding. But it's like by the time you reach Cartel part, dog, it's like Jano. And then Cartel part done is like a vibe not there, dog. May I tell you, the vibe not there. You see me? You not there, dog. You not there. You see me? I'm kind of sister them a try, fix Cartel vice, tune it up and all of them something there. But I don't know, dog. You see me? Yeah, man, but NPT am my number one album for the year, dog. You see me? Cause I see the quality and I can listen to it, bro. You see me? I can listen to it. The Garden Time album, maybe I expect more feet, bro. Especially with them big features, yeah, dog. You see me? Yeah, people. But I just one of them thing there. Let's see where it will go up on the billboard and the numbers. You see me? NTP, less than 1,000. It dropped number 10 on the billboard. Let's see. You see me? But you don't know, people. Big up on yourself. And remember this, Gaza fans. But then I comment about the emotions and the feelings, Go and go buy the artist album and stream the artist album. You see me? Yeah. Go and go buy it and stream it up and make the numbers them look good so the pressure can fall off of now can run out and troll and all of them look something. You understand? But don't dare every day with people and all of them look a thing there, brother. I don't know support an artist. You understand? Yeah. Because at the end of the day, if we not do good, never get beaten. And we not talk about physical beating. We just talk say, yo, people them go touch, You understand? Because remember say, we no been a touch other people, So when phone time forward enough for ball, you understand? But people, big up on yourself. You don't know one media fax man app. Yeah, man. That is it.